Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we are going to be looking at the battery equivalent of the CR1025. This is going to be a very common watch battery, especially for vintage Timex watches. Very useful to have one by your side in case you have a lot of vintage Timex watches. As you can see, we have a bunch of watch battery types. So I'm going to do a video with all of them. I'm going to also leave a link in the description box below to this exact battery. Now, when it comes to the CR1025, this is the most common abbreviation that you can find online. Most of them can be LM1025, BR1025, CR1025, or DL1025. Now, you might also find it under the name of 5033LC. I'm going to try to insert a picture where you can actually see all those common abbreviations or battery types that are the exact equivalent to this exact watch battery. So this means that all of these batteries are going to be the exact equivalent of CR1025. So you can go ahead and order the one that is most convenient to you. Once again, I'm also going to leave a link in the description box below. If you found this video useful, guys, make sure to give it a like, leave a comment, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel in case you are into watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials, and watch reviews. Like, subscribe, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.